Namaste, all the viewers and friends. I hope that you're all in good health, doing good, staying with your family, staying at home. Like how we come across different situations in our life, today we have come across what is called as a pandemic. Probably none of us had experienced a pandemic in our life before. And like how mind affects all the situations, mind has affected pandemic as well. And like all situations affect mind, pandemic has also affected the mind. So it is like pandemic affecting the mind, mind affecting the pandemic, both are happening parallelly. So how do we deal with it? How do we sail through this pandemic with much more ease is what we have to understand. You must have been seeing a lot of videos or reading articles about this. Mostly many of the informations that we are going to give out are known to you, but this is a situation where you have studied, you have had all the information, you have attended the classes, you have studied, but you have to give your exams. Okay, so this is a situation where you have to actually practically apply the knowledge about our mental health, about our physical health that we already know. And for those of you who are not aware, I hope this video is going to be of help. And those of you who are aware, this is probably a reminder for you to start applying it. Okay, so what are the emotions that we are going through now? Some of us are really anxious about what is happening, and more so what might happen in future. What if there's a third wave? What if there's some impact of all of this on the job, on my health, on my family? So there is some sort of anxiety about what is happening, how COVID is impacted. Some of us are going through fear of losing our lives, losing our dear ones. Some of us are going through sadness and depression, probably because we have lost a lot of our known people. We have lost somebody who's in the family, who we are working with, our friends, and there are people whom we are seeing are dying in front of us, and that's affecting us, that's putting us through sadness and depression. So there are mixture of emotions that we are all going through, and we are not aware, or we do not know how to manage it. Okay, first of all, first important thing is to recognize these emotions. What is happening to me? Many a times I am anxious, I am going through fear, and I don't know what is happening to me, but that emotion is disturbing me. So I can only say I'm disturbed, I don't know what is happening to me, but I cannot recognize the emotion behind. So first and foremost, recognize what is happening with you, what emotion are you going through, and it is absolutely all right to go through these emotions. I am not here to tell you don't panic, or don't be scared, or don't be anxious, don't go into depression. It is obvious and it is okay in these times to go through all of these emotions, but are we able to pull ourselves out of it? Are we able to come out of it and lead our lives comfortably is the factor or the matter that we have to understand. Okay, first of all, don't feel bad, or don't feel down that I'm going through these emotions. It's absolutely okay. Second, if you have recognized and if you have accepted that you're going through these emotional disturbances in your life, how to come out of it? How can I come out of it? First and foremost, talk to people. These days, if you have seen, once the pandemic news started and we've all started staying home, working from home, some of us lost our jobs, some of us are trying to see what we can do in this situation, how we can improve the business. So we are doing a lot of things, right? So what has happened, more than human interaction, we are interacting a lot in our mind with these emotional upsurges. And other thing that we are doing, most of us, you should all agree on this fact, that we are hooking on to gadgets. So first, detach yourselves, or basically I must say, de-addict yourselves from the media. Once you are de-addicted from media, watching all the horror stories that are telling about the pandemic, you will feel much better. Okay, so that's the first thing. Detach from media, improve on your human interaction. This is a chance where you've gotten to stay with your family, with your own people. So start spending time with your family, talk to them. That will help you come out of all of this. When you talk, when you know that there are people around you for your help and support, that itself is a moral boost, and that will help you come out. Okay. Second step that you can take, reach out to professionals who are helping you on managing. They'll be able to systematically tell you what are the therapies that are available, what are the techniques that are available to take care of these emotional problems. Meet a health professional to know how you should improve your health rather than just invest on or worry about the disease. So start thinking about your health, start discussing about your health. So if you meet a professional, health professional, you will know what to eat, when to eat, how your lifestyle will help you take care of your health and improve your immunity. And when it comes to your mind aspect, they'll be able to tell you what to do and what not to do. How, for example, how yoga can help in calming down your mind, how yoga can help in bringing out that energy stagnation that is within. Okay, a lot of us are just sitting inside thinking and worrying and going through anxiety, and that is creating a lot of kind of energy stagnation within us. How yoga asanas are going to help you move and clear the stagnation, how pranayama and relaxation techniques is going to calm your mind down, how meditation will help you balance your mind and body. Okay, same way, if you go to an acupuncturist professional, he'll be able to tell you how acupuncture will improve your immunity, will take care of a lot of comorbidities that are impacting the COVID outcome, and also how the process of acupuncture will relax your mind and improvise on your awareness. So there are so many therapies, there are so many people out there to help you, to support you, to be with you during this difficult times. There are counselors, there are health professionals, there are general physicians to give you guidelines on what to do, what not to do. So don't just assume a lot of things within and go through unnecessary fear. The fear of normal situation is okay, anxiety for a normal situation is okay, but that excessive anxiety, excessive fear that we are kind of adding on in our own mind is something that we can definitely avoid and work on. Okay, so staying in your place, staying in your home with your family is not a punishment. It is a boon for all of you. That is, the nature has given you time to understand what it is to spend time in family values, how energetic and how positive it is to spend time in value. Most of us have definitely learned new hobbies, learned new dishes and things like that. So we are enjoying those time, but we are not recognizing it. We are only worrying about, oh, what is happening to my job, what is happening to my health. So start recognizing the positive aspects of the probable negative situation in the world and encourage that positivity, live with that positivity. I think that will help us more than anything, recognizing what is happening with us, recognizing the positive aspect of what is happening with us will take care of all the negative thoughts, emotions as well as situations. So attract a lot of positivity and negativity will automatically repel. You will not have to do anything about it. Positivity will take care. Okay, with that, I hope this video would have helped you with some positive note, with some positive vibrations. Spread that positivity, be positive, and thank you very much.